Next in Python Matplotlib, we have scatter plot. Now usually we need scatter plot in order to compare variables. For example, how much one variable is affected by the another variable, to build a relation out of it. The data is displayed as a collection of points. Each have the value of one variable which determines the position of the horizontal axis, and the value of the other variable determines the position of the vertical axis. So we are going to plot a scatter plot, and we are going to plot about high income low savings and low income high savings. This is the scatter plot which we are going to plot about. So we have to take x and y for plotting one scatter, and then x1 and y1 for plotting another scatter. Then we will give the labels, and then we will use the legend to show it. So firstly, let us give the values for x. That is, x is having value 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 3.6. So these are the values of x, and next I'm going to give the values of y. Those are 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10 and 10.5 respectively. So these are the values of x and y which will be plotting the first scatter. Next we are giving the values of x1 and y1 also for plotting the another scatter. That is x1, and it is having the values as 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5 and 11. Similarly, I'm going to give the values of y1 also, and that is having values as 3, 3.5, 3.7, 4, 4.5, 5, and then 5.2. So these are the values of x1 and y1, and next what we are going to do is we are going to plot this. So for plotting a scatter, we write plot.scatte. So for plotting a scatter, we write plt.scatter, and then we give x, y, the label which we are going to display. So the label will be, the first scatter is of high income, low savings, and the color will be red. Like this. This is the first scatter which is going to be drawn. You can see here, this is the scatter, and next we are going to plot the second scatter with the help of plt.scatter x1, y1, and it will be having low income, high savings. So you have to simply rewrite this line and change a few things, so that I'm writing here. That is plotting for x1, y1, and the label is low income, high savings. And let us change the color also. The color will be blue. Next, let us write a few more things about what will be displayed on the x-axis and y-axis label. So for that we use plt.xLabel, and that is going to display savings, into 100. And plt.ylabel is going to display income into 1000. Next we will show a title also, and that will be plt.title, and the title which we are giving is as scatter plot. As we have given the labels, so we have to use the legend method so that those labels can be displayed. And next we are going to use plt dot show. So here you can see that this is a scatter plot which is denoting the high income low savings here, and it is denoting the blue one, that is denoting the blue color which we have given. Now let us include these both the plots together. For that we have executed in different cell, we have to execute this particular code in a same cell. Now here you can see that as I've combined both the plots, so I've written that code in one cell only, and now both the plots are combined, and here you can see the scatter plot. The red one is showing the high income and low savings, and the blue one is displaying the low income and high savings. So this is how we can execute, or we can draw a scatter plot with the help of Python Matplotlib library.